morning, student. I am Opika, teacher of MGSS Darbhanga, class 5th, subject Science, chapter 2, chapter name Reproduction in Animals. Dear student, today I solve your short type question. Short answer questions briefly describe the parts of a hen's eggs with the help of a diagram. The eggs of a hen is covered with a thin but hard covering called the egg shell. On the inside, the egg is filled with transparent substance called the albumen. A large portion of the albumen is thick. However, albumen is thinner towards the outer side. The egg also has a yellow part called the yolk. An air cell is formed by contraction of the contents during cooling and by the loss of moisture. A high quality egg has only a small air cell. You draw a figure of parts of hen's eggs and mention name albumen, thin albumen, thick albumen, air cell, egg cell, yolk. Question number B. What do you mean by metamorphosis? A change in the form or character of an animal during the life cycle is called metamorphosis. Question number C. Write two ways in which a tadpole is different from an adult frog. The eggs develops into tadpoles with gills and tails. The tadpole grows, it develops lungs and limbs. The tail reduces. Long answer question briefly describe the life cycle of a hen using a level diagram. The growing baby or embryo of a hen develops inside the egg and when fully developed hatches out as a thick. The embryo develops into chick when the egg is kept warm. This is why hens sit on their eggs for many days before the eggs finally hatch. The chicks eat and grow into an adult. The adult lays eggs and the cycle continues. You draw a life cycle of hen, egg, embryo, hatching, chick, adult hen. Question number B. The eggs of butterfly first develops into caterpillar on hatching. The caterpillar wraps itself in a covering called the cocoon and changes into the pupa. The pupa develops and changes into a butterfly. Question number B. Explain the life cycle of a butterfly with the help of a level diagram. Answer. The eggs of butterfly first develop into caterpillar on hatching. The caterpillar wraps itself in a covering called the cocoon and change into the pupa. The pupa develops and change into a butterfly. You draw a figure of life cycle of butterfly. Eggs, larva, caterpillar. Caterpillars develops pupa. Pupa develops adult butterfly. The adult butterfly later lays eggs and the cycle continues. Question number C. Draw a neat and leveled diagram showing the life cycle of a frog. So, you draw a life cycle of frogs. Eggs develop embryo. Embryo develops tadpole. Tadpoles develops tadpole with two legs. Tadpole with two legs develops tadpole with four legs. Tadpole with four legs develop adult frog. Thank you.